Translation often called a bridge, but bridges are static. True translation is a living pulse. In this collection, I navigated four distinct landscapes: the hunting pop lyrics of the song Multo, the sharp, urban imagery of the poem Sa May Divisoria, the narrative rhythm of the short story Cuatrocientos, and the spiritual depth of the creative non-fiction, Mga Ugat sa Paghihilod at Pananamban. My goal wasn't just swapping words. It was a mission of functional equivalence, transferring the weight and the soul of the source language into target language that could actually feel its heartbeat. In the song Multo, literalism was the enemy. If I translated namamalikmata as eye-blurring, the music dies. Instead, I look for the feeling of being deceived by one's own script. A trick of the light. It captures that flicker of false hope. For the line Anino Mo'y Kumakapit, I choose your shadow still glowing. I needed aggressive verbs. In the original, kumakapit implies a grief that won't let go. Glowing conveys that suffocating, visceral effect of memory. Similarly, in the poem Sa May Divisoria, the word nilimas carries the heavy thud of plunder. I use cleared out and swept aside to capture that resonance of something being forcefully emptied. In the prose work, Mga Ugat sa Paghihilod at Pananamban, the challenge shifted to foreignization. How do you translate hilot? If I call it massage, I've stripped away the divine and turned a spiritual calling into spa appointment. I keep terms like mananambal, sinda, and dagon because they are pillars of a Filipino worldview. For concepts like lamig and panuhot, which have no direct equivalent in Western medicine, I use descriptive expansion by describing them as trapped cold or accumulated air. I built a conceptual ladder so a global reader could understand our folk medicines without erasing its identity. Fidelity isn't just about facts, it's about the rhythm. Following peer discussion and instructor feedback, I made a radical change to the lyric of Multo. I omitted the word I. In English, we're obsessed with the subject, but in the original song, it's all about the action and the atmosphere. By removing I match the syllable count and the breathing quality of the original. In words like Cuatrocientos and my essay, fidelity meant respecting the author's serenity. Even when discussing a spiritual surgery that defies Western logic, I maintained a tone of respect because in rural Mindanao, the mananambal is the only doctor that people have. This translation from the pop heartache of Voltaire to the rhythmic yam-yam of the healer prove that our stories are not just local. They are universal stories of pain, survival, and belief. I didn't just translate text. I translate of a people's way of seeing the world. Thanks for watching, and once again, I am Harvey and